There are certain offences for which the previous sanction is necessary before taking of cognizance. The reason behind taking sanction is that firstly, to prevent vexatious prosecution, and second, to prevent undue interference in the affairs of the state. Now, Section 217 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita is one of the provision which lays down that if any offence is committed against the state or is there any criminal conspiracy of such offence, in that case, the previous sanction of the concerned authority, that is state government or the central government, is necessary before taking of the cognizance. Now, with regard to this sanction, there are certain principles which are evolved through various judgments. Those principles are first, that the sanction must be obtained before taking of the cognizance. If cognizance is taken without sanction, in that case, the proceedings will be vitiated and subsequent sanction will not remedify the proceedings. Second principle says that it is mandatory to obtain sanction. It is not a directory provision because the word shall is used. The third principle says that the sanctioning authority shall pursue the whole material before granting the sanction, which includes the charge sheet, the statement of the witnesses, relevant documents, and other. The fourth principle says that the sanctioning authority has a power to delegate its authority to any other person or authority for the purpose of Section 217 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. The fifth principle says that if there is a delay in granting the sanction, in that case, that delay can be excluded by using Section 516 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, provided that the delay must be on the part of the state and not on the part of the prosecution agency. So, if the prosecution agency made a delay in making an application to the state or to produce the additional documents as required by the state for granting the sanction, in that case, the delay cannot be excluded or condoned by using Section 516 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. I hope you like the video, and for more such videos, please like and subscribe.